Hey guys, okay, so I'm just shooting this video to just show how we can calculate funds to complete when we're going with each of the different lenders that are available. Now the first thing the banks obviously look at is your costs. Okay, now the house and land is obviously comprised of various things. So house and land, let's say for this example, it's $400,000. You're going to have fees of around about $12,300. So that means your total costs are going to be approximately $415,800. Now, what we need to look at then is we need to look at the funds. Okay, now the funds is obviously going to be dependent on whether we have a 95% lend or subtitles. Okay, now the lend from the bank, if it's 95%, that means that times the 95% is the total house and land, so the total cost is going to be $380. Okay, so that's what the bank is going to give us. Then we got obviously the first homeowners grant. The first homeowners grant is going to be $10,000. So that means total funds we have available is going to be $319,000. Okay. Now, of the $319, client contribution. So the client contribution is the difference between total costs minus the $319. Means that the client needs to contribute $25,800 to complete the purchase of a $400,000 house and land. Now, if the lender was to lend up to 98%, then the client, as you can see, only needs to contribute $13,800. Okay. Having said that, the lender still requires a 5% genuine savings deposit. Okay, so although they need to save $20,000, they will only need to contribute $13,800 of the $20,000. So that means that if they've saved $20,000 and they've at land settlement contributed $13,800 towards completing the transaction, then $6,200 is left in their bank account. Okay, so that was just a quick video on to show you what the funds to complete is for a particular